Motorists can now avail of faster and real-time updates on road accidents along Metro Manila's major thoroughfares. This is through the Accident Alerts application launched today by the Metro Manila Development Authority. This report.
Accidents contribute to the heavy traffic experienced along Metro Manila roads. Data from the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority show there are at least 63 to 64 recorded accidents in Metro Manila every day. Of this number, 20 to 25 accidents occurred at EDSA. Although MMDA has real-time updates on major road situations, it has still created a new application which can be accessed online. Through this, passengers and motorists may be able to find an alternative route as they will be informed on the cause of traffic.
Bakit ba ako nata-traffic? Bakit ako nakalintok? Anong epekto ng aksidente sa kinalalagyan ko ngayon? At bahagi ng road safety program ng pamahalaan na maunawaan ng ating mga kababayan na yung aksidente ay hindi lamang nakaka-apekto doon sa mga na-aksidente, kung hindi sa mas malawak na larawan ng ating lipunan.
The MMDA Accident Alert can be downloaded through your Android phones. Once downloaded, you will receive situation updates of Metro Manila roads. You can also choose between lists or map view. This new app is also capable of informing about incidents such as fire and rallies, as well as road reblocking. Even without a smartphone, you can still be updated through MMDA's Facebook and Twitter accounts. Meanwhile, the agency is considering if the name and plate number of the person involved in the accident may also be indicated in the app. They are also studying if the app may be used for direct reporting of accidents.
Ilang oras yung traffic. So, dapat malagay din yung plate number at yung pangalan ng tracking company. Para alam ng tao, ito si Zen Tracking Company. Araw-araw napaplat ito. At hindi na dapat ito siguro magkaroon ng prangkisa. Pangatlo, siguro sa upgrade nito, paano makakapasok yung taong bayan na mag-report ng aksidente.
Even with the presence of this new application, the MMDA advised motorists to be obedient and careful as they travel along Metro Manila roads.